Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I hope everyone is doing fine. I am doing well. I've been styling my hair to wear it for a couple of days, thinking that this will be a cooler style for me. And I was thinking about my subscribers and a few fellow YouTubers. And I wanted to say good afternoon and check in with you. I am wearing a braid, I can say a braided bob. Let's call it that. And so I have 4 more braids to do, and I am going to complete them now. But before I do that, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for all that you do. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting on? Come on, join the Gene G family. Yes, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll know every time I publish a video. Now, there are a couple of YouTubers that I'm missing. Yeah, I go back and I look at their channels to see if they finally uploaded a video, and I try to keep in contact by giving them a message, or as in this case, a shout out. And I want to do a shout out to Opal of Opal Made Today. Previously, I love bright colors. And to Lena's Lovely Locks. Hadn't seen them lately, and I've just been missing them. Yeah, there are just some people that when they go missing, you just want to check on them, see how they're doing, mention them so that they'll know that they're being thought of. Because I'd appreciate it if someone did that for me. And I pray that all is well with them. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this hairstyle and do my 360 so you can see how I'm going to be wearing my hair for the next couple of days. I will also show you some footage from a party that I went to. It was a Coming to America party based on the movie Coming to America. And I did my best to dress for that party. And some people did much better than I did. I mean, there was a group of people that came in, and I thought I was doing a video clip, but I was so excited, I did not even click the record button. That when they walked in, I was like, wow, definitely Coming to America. They were dressed for the theme. And I must say that I don't think I'm very good at dressing for theme parties, because I can't seem to find something that I can wear again, so I don't go out and purchase anything. So I usually find something in my closet. And so what you see me wearing at that party is what I found in my closet, trying to stick with the theme. And it was a 70th birthday party. And this lady comes into the salon every 2 weeks. And though I didn't know her personally before I started working in the salon, I just deem her to be a wonderful person. And when she was planning the party, she said, "Do you want to come to my party?" And I said, yes. And I responded to her invitation, and my husband and I both went, and we had a good time. The party was from 7 till 12. You know, we hung in there pretty good. We left a little after 10. Because I need my rest, and I got to think about it. And it was cold, and I did not dress for the temperature. in the building. So both of us had to leave for both of those reasons, really. I do not like being cold. This one is smaller than I expected, but I'm gonna let it ride. So this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. God's been so good to me. I can't even tell you all. He's been so good. He has been blessing me and keeping me. And I praise him all the more for it. Now, I don't have any rubber bands on my ends. And I may make this one into two because it just looks so big sitting there in the front. But what I've done, if I've sprayed water from my water bottle and I opened my Lotta Body foaming mousse and just sprayed a little bit in here, because after a few days with that foaming mousse in my hair for styling, my hair seems to get a little bit hard. So I decided I would dilute the mousse with the water that was in my foaming bottle. And hopefully that works. And for my ends, I've been spraying more water on the ends to try to make it stay together and not have to wear rubber bands on the end, because I do not like using those tiny rubber bands, especially when it is time for me to take it off. So keep watching. I may do the same for this one. Nah, we're good. And now my 360, yes. Have a great day and keep watching for the party footage.
discretion. To be used at your discretion. Waiting only for you. Miss Yvonne. I call her Evan, excuse me. Yvonne. Miss Yvonne, where are you? Ah, yes, there she is. We will have Miss Johnny. Now, you're wondering how I got here. Well, I knew Catherine since she was a little girl, very little girl. We used to play together all the time out there in the yard. She used to love when I used to sing out there on the playground and things. Okay. And she knows how I feel about children, being that she taught so many years. But I'd like to sing a little something if I would. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well, let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be.
Where the birthday girl at? Hey. We in the front yard getting it in.
All right.